Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mrs. Johnson. Let's talk about today, Tuesday, September the 8th, 2020, for World Cultures. We started working on the transfer task. So one of the best ways to get there might be to go through modules. So we're going to click that. And you'll see we have all of the information for Unit 1. We're going to scroll down to Week 5, the current week, and let's take a look at this. Okay, on the transfer task Unit 1, you have a video explanation of what's going on with the rubric. So you'll hear my voice once again going through the rubric. Okay, the next thing you'll want to do if you want to see the rubric is to click this link. And so there you're going to see the information on how we are going to be grading this. This is your first major grade for this marking period, so please go through and check that rubric carefully. Okay, the last thing you're going to need to do for today is to work on your graphic organizer. So I'm going to go back to modules, go back to week 5, and here's my graphic organizer. Okay, for some reason Google has decided to give me an attitude, so let me go and get it a different way. But you should be able to see this correctly in your work. So I'm going to go over here. There we go. Okay, so this is your graphic organizer that should hopefully open up, or if not, I shared a link with you, and I can share another link with some of you if necessary. But this is what you need to have. You need to look for this information from your interactive notebook, and you need to fill this in. Relative and absolute location, factors that explain why Frisco is located where it is, a map, a chart, a graph that you're going to use in your presentation. Talk about Frisco's relationship with people, places, and the environment, and then some persuasive reasons to get the company to move to Frisco, since that's what you're trying to do. Remember your ESPN factors. So this graphic organizer is what you need to have completed before you come to class tomorrow. That's all for now. Thank you.